Or something like that.
Now,
To put it on the mouth and then to protect yourself to get the infection from the patient. And then you will like
then
this.
people no response. Again, the second cycle. So you keep doing the cycle at least 3 to 4 times, according to the WHO.
And when you give the mouth, you stay abdomen.
If the emergency comes,
Then you will understand that the air is going inside. If it's not,
he is the first aid, first thing. Like sometimes we go out and we see people like that.
wide
This is
open.
the first aid.
You give the mouth breathing again to see. Next like
The first cycle, he didn't make that because when you put, he shoot the breath and calm.
actually,
First ask the response, so they're not like, hey, he's handle this one, he can't listen because he's in coma or maybe he's injured. So if you go far away, he can't listen. So can't do it closer to the ear. 对，随便。No, gently. Come on, I'm gonna be right. Yeah, come here.
随便。
Yeah, from here.
No problem.
From here. From here is how pressure.
It's too light.
He's maybe senseless. Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
this.
Nearby in between. You see two nipples between here. Straight. 15 cycles. 15 cycles. First 2 times mouth breathing, and then second cycle. Yeah. And then
It's too hard.
wait for the.
You should be in rhythm.
No, when you see the patient,
In rhythm, not
first
like
you see
stop, not
he's
like
not
that.
responding, he's senseless, then you call the emergency, and then you start
In rhythm, and the pressure should be, not so hard and not so
first
soft.
call the
And
emergency
it should
because
be according to people. Because some
on the way is
some people
so
also we have to
the
care.
patient can maybe survive. All people looks easy, but when the situation will come, it's not very easy because people get panic. Yeah, this one, first desperate and then and then for all the patients should not be as well.
cái tổ tư là tất nhiên sẽ khó đây nhá nên đấy là trời ơi nó chạy đây chỉ nhá đây chị ơi đây chạy đây chỉ nhá
Take the breath and he can't breathe and he'll die for breathing.
This point.
Yeah, we are doctors, so we all know this. You are not doctors, so you know.
你们有人在这里上过课吧？没有。你上次来过，但是你还没有在这上过手术是吧？啊？哦，研究生还没有，这是第一次，是吧？同学也会在这里上的，你们肯定会增加一些就是苍井的内容。进不来了，我给你，他不知道在边上才行。你看到现在的这个画面呢，是我们截取的这学期，学生就是临床医学本科生做动物实验这一次小的比如说痔疮呀，
And so this the real lab for students to do the animal examination here, and you can see all different things.
对我们一个班
One lab will have 8 teams. One team have 5 students, and one by one do the examination.
你们可能其中有一部分的学生是学医的，是吧？这里啊。
Some of you are learning medicine.
学医的学生以后一定是会来这里上课的啊，因
And
为
you will come here to learn.
但这个周末的时候呢，一般在周末的时候，我们都会有将近的，就是各个专科的医生的培训在这里。
And in the weekend we have the experts come here to do the examination.
Oh, this one. This right?
And between these two nipples,
OK，你可以演示一下。你来。
想问一下，就是在前面有那个图片的练习，还是在内部？
After that, just look at the patient. Anything if you not see like no breathing, nothing, just look at the patient. Check upper body like it's breathing or not, or his pupil is dilated or not. If you're gonna open it, and after that, first you have to do is clean his mouth. Whatever inside the mouth, just clean it. Like you have to clear the pathway that he can able to breathe easily. First of all, you just tilt his head, clean the mouth. After that, put it back. You need to press between the two nipples. You have to put your hands like this. Put your finger like this. Your hand should be straight when you are giving CPR. If it's folded, you are not able to give the much pressure on the body. You have to do it like this for the 30 times, continuously 30 times. And it's in that speed like our chest will depress inside 2 to 4 inch. That much you have to pressure for 30 times. After that, you're gonna leave this body. After that, you have to breathe with your mouth. We don't have any equipment over here. Over there also you will not find anything. So you have to